If you're considering HostEurope for your website or web hosting needs, there are a few important things you need to know before making a purchase. In this video, we'll go over 12 key points that will help you decide whether HostEurope is the right choice, especially when comparing it to other popular hosting services out there. First thing you should know is that HostEurope offers a wide range of hosting options. From shared hosting to cloud services and even dedicated servers, they cater to businesses of all sizes. However, if you're comparing it to something like Bluehost or SiteGround, you might find that their pricing structure is a little higher for the same level of service. So, be sure to factor in your needs and budget. Next thing to note is that HostEurope's customer support is solid. They offer 24/7 assistance via phone, email, and live chat, which is definitely a plus compared to other companies that may charge extra for premium support. However, their response times can be slower during peak hours, so if you're in a hurry, this might be something to keep in mind. The third thing is the user interface. HostEurope has an intuitive control panel that's fairly easy to navigate, but when compared to the likes of Wix or Squarespace, it's not as beginner-friendly. You'll have to spend some time getting familiar with it, especially if you're new to web hosting or website building. Moving on, their uptime is impressive. HostEurope guarantees a 99.9% uptime, which is on par with industry standards, but some competitors like A2 Hosting or SiteGround go the extra mile with faster load times. Keep this in mind if website speed is a major factor for your business. The fifth thing to consider is the scalability of their services. HostEurope offers great scalability for growing businesses, with the option to upgrade to more powerful servers or cloud solutions as needed. But other services like HostGator and SiteGround may provide more flexible plans for startups and growing businesses. The sixth thing to know is that HostEurope's pricing structure can be confusing. Unlike some competitors that offer transparent pricing, HostEurope tends to offer discounts for the first term, which might make the renewal price feel like a surprise. Make sure to read the fine print. Next up, HostEurope provides a variety of website building tools, but it's not as rich as options like Wix or WordPress. While you get basic tools, the ease and flexibility of website creation are not quite as polished compared to other platforms that target beginners. The eighth thing to think about is security. HostEurope offers a variety of security measures, including free SSL certificates and daily backups. While this is good, services like SiteGround offer more advanced security features, like built-in firewall protection and malware scanning, right out of the box. Another thing is the integration with third-party apps and services. HostEurope does offer integrations, but it's not as extensive as other platforms, like GoDaddy or Bluehost, which have a broader selection of plugins and services that make running your website easier. The 10th thing is email hosting. HostEurope provides reliable email hosting, but compared to other services, the email features can be a bit basic. If your business requires more sophisticated email solutions, you might want to look at other options, like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. The 11th thing to keep in mind is the performance of their shared hosting plans. They're quite solid, but not as fast as some premium providers like A2 Hosting. If performance is a priority, you might want to explore faster alternatives or consider upgrading to a VPS or dedicated hosting plan. And finally, HostEurope is a good option for small businesses and individuals, especially if you're located in Europe. However, if you're looking for a more robust solution with additional perks, you might want to explore other alternatives like SiteGround or Bluehost. All in all, HostEurope offers a decent range of features, but depending on your specific needs, there may be better options available. If you're interested, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free today.